Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to fully absorb the information and improve your English naturally. Today, we're diving into a question that many people around the world wonder about. Why does the United States have military bases in Germany and Japan? After World War II, both Germany and Japan were defeated and occupied by Allied forces, including the United States. As part of rebuilding these nations and ensuring future peace, the U.S. established military bases in their territories. Over time, these bases evolved from temporary occupations to long-term strategic partnerships. In Germany, the presence of U.S. military bases served first as a buffer against the Soviet Union during the Cold War. The idea was to protect Western Europe from potential Soviet aggression. Even though the Cold War ended, these bases remain important today. They provide a strategic position for the U.S. to quickly respond to crises in Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. In Japan, the story is similar, but focused on Asia. After World War II, the U.S. helped rebuild Japan's economy and government. In exchange for protection, Japan allowed U.S. troops to remain stationed on its soil. These bases became especially important during the Korean War and the Cold War, when tensions were high with North Korea and China. Today, they still serve as a major part of America's defense strategy in the Asia-Pacific region. Some people question whether the U.S. should still have bases in countries like Germany and Japan. After all, both are strong, independent nations now. But others argue that these bases help promote global stability, allow for joint training between allies, and act as a deterrent to potential threats. For the United States, having bases in Germany and Japan is not just about protecting those countries. It's about having a global presence that allows quick military responses if needed. It's also about strengthening alliances and cooperation with trusted partners. So, the answer to the question is both historical and strategic. These bases began after a major world war, but they continue to serve important roles in today's international security and diplomacy. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it and learned something new, be sure to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's essential for mastering both English and the cultural topics we discuss. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and keep producing valuable content. We'll see you in the next adventure.